I'm Yara.
And I'm Malvi.
And welcome back to another video of our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about something that Malvi and I created that invites people, especially in around our area that we meet through markets, hangouts, events, etc., to help us raise the awareness about pollinators in our area. This video is also dedicated to those who we have met and received this pamphlet, which we're going to be talking about right now.
Yara and I created this program which is called Be a Host. Be a Host is a movement which invites people that receive or take one of these pamphlets for free and plant these seeds which we give you in your garden or around your home.
The seeds that we give you belong to a flower called Phacelia tanisadifolia, or also known as the lacy phacelia. These flowers are gorgeous and provide an amazing amount of nectar and pollen for honeybees, bumblebees, native bees, etc.
When someone receives these seeds, we tell them the following. First, choose an area that you would like to have your plants in.
We recommend that you plant them close to your garden so that not only does it motivate the bees to come visit these phacelias, but it will also motivate them to visit the other flowers or plants that you may have as part of your garden.
Second, the seeds need to be planted 1/2 centimeter into the soil. Make sure you water them regularly. And lastly, nurse them and enjoy watching them grow.
Now you can start these seeds in a pot, that's how we like to do it, but once they reach a certain height, we plant them outside in separate garden beds over here. So there's this big one and there's a few tires that have them. Now these plants are very prolific and they are perennial, so they'll come back every year. So that's why we would recommend them plant them in an area that they would be able to spread more.
If you plant your seeds close to a greenhouse, be sure to leave the doors, windows, and other exits open so that the bees have a way to get out of the greenhouse if they go in there to pollinate.
Now the second to last thing that we ask people to do as part of our program is that once these flowers have grown, we simply ask them to take a picture of a pollinator visiting their phacelias and to post it on our Facebook page if they have Facebook at Be a Host, or if they're doing it on Instagram, use the hashtag Be a Host. By doing this, then we will be sharing the picture with all of you guys just to simply share how people are getting involved with this program.
And finally, we ask those who planted these phacelias to harvest them and share with them with people they know so that they have pollinators to visit their garden as well. By doing this, we are spreading the movement even further and contributing to the awareness of pollinators by having a source of food in a variety of different places.
We know that a lot of you are aware that the bee population in the world is declining due to many different earthly factors, but we want to help change that.
We are happy that this flower has provided food for many native bees and native species in our area, and we know that it will do the exact same thing for you. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Share this video with your friends and family.
Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions regarding this program or any other beekeeping topic. And also, don't forget to follow us on all of our social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Tumblr at Bees Are Funny, and our Be a Host page on Facebook at Be a Host.
And finally, smash that subscribe button and click on the bell so then you will be notified of all our uploads. My name is Malvi.
And I'm Yara.
And you're watching Bees Are Funny. Till next time.
And keep on buzzing.